Hey guys, my name is Landon. I am a third-year sociology anthropology student here at Monmouth College, and I live on the third floor of McMicheal Residence Hall, and this is a tour of my room. So first entering the door, I have one decently sized closet, and I have another closet right over there. I have a double all to myself, so I push the beds together and I get all the furniture and closet space all to myself. So this is my room. This first closet I kind of just use for storage. I keep my shoes right over there in my longboard, along with just a bunch of other decorations. This is my guinea pig Kylie. He's my registered emotional support animal. He's kind of sleepy right now. But this is my second closet. I'll show you the inside. It's pretty decently sized, and you have a lot of shelf room, lots of room to hang clothes and fold things and stack things. This window shows right over there the Hughes Library. And then I have a shelf full of lots of trinkets and stuff like that. And I have my bed, a few decorations over there on the wall. And then I have two other massive windows. I got really lucky with my room this year. And I have a whole sink area and mirror area, which is so nice, not having to leave my room to brush my teeth and stuff, and I can just use the water from the faucet. And I have one desk there, a lot more stuff on that wall there, and then this is where my other desk is. So I'm utilizing all the furniture. And yeah, so there's my room.